This problem involves a Toyota Tacoma, which is the truck I drive. 16 gallons of gas are added to the tank. The goal state is to figure out the increase in mass in 3 common units. Pause the video. Problem definition, as shown here, is straightforward. Since the problem goal is mass, I start with an equation which has the problem goal as one of the variables. There's my goal. The volume is known, 16 gallons, but I don't know the density of gasoline, so I need another equation. And my new goal is to find density. So I start with the definition of specific gravity. The density of gasoline over the density of water. And I recall that the specific gravity of gasoline is about 0.7. It's very straightforward then to calculate that the density of gasoline is 5.8 pounds mass per gallon. Note 2 things. 1, I made a mistake here. This should be labeled as specific gravity. As engineers, we make mistakes and then we fix them. No big deal. What makes this problem easy is that I could remember some typical values. I remembered that the specific gravity of gasoline is 0.7, and it's also useful to remember that the density of water is around 8.3 pounds mass per gallon. The increase in mass works out to be about 93 pounds mass. Dividing by 32.2 shows that this is 2.89 slugs. Taking 93.3, dividing by the conversion ratio of 2.2 pounds mass per kilogram gives us 42.3 kilograms. To validate, I recall that a gallon is around 4 liters. So I multiply this number by 4, so we have about 64 liters of gas, which is 0.064 cubic meters. Since the specific gravity is 0.7, I would expect the density of gasoline to be about 700 kilograms per cubic meter. I multiply this by the volume, and this gives me an estimate of a mass increase of 45 kilograms. And this is just a little bit bigger than my actual answer. But I know that this conversion here is slightly too big, so this is an overestimate. So this looks like I can trust my solution. This concludes the practice problems. One of the best ways to learn is to do things yourself, make mistakes, and then get feedback. Hope you enjoyed this video.